Everyone, welcome back again. I'm faculty Emmanuel from capacitybase.org, and I'm going to be an instructor for today's session. So this section we're going to be talking about how to install VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, and how to import our appliance, all right, into our VirtualBox and have it up and running. So if you have an appliance with OVF format, right, we are going to walk through that. So let's go ahead and open up my browser, and I'm going to go to VirtualBox. So let's just search VirtualBox download, and the first link which takes us to the official VirtualBox website. I'm going to drop a link to this in the description though. So basically this video is for those using Windows operating system. If you're using Mac, we'll do that in a later date. But for Windows, go ahead and choose the Windows host, right? So you can as well try for Linux distribution, Mac OS distribution. So let's go ahead and click on Windows host. So it's start downloaded, but I'm going to pause this. I already have it, right? And another thing I want us to download is the extension pack, right? So you can see the VirtualBox extension pack. So I'm going to download this. This supports all platforms. So click on that and have that downloading right here. So after downloading that, I'm going to install my VirtualBox. So let me go ahead and locate it. So I actually have my VirtualBox in my desktop. So I'm going to right click and I'll run as administrator. I will accept that and probably follow the step. So next, and oh, it's fine here. Next, and make sure this is tick. So this creates a shortcut. This creates entries in the start menu, and let's just go ahead and click next, and also next. So install, we want to start installing, and this is going to start installing. And once it's done, we'll go ahead and install the extension pack and update, import our appliance. So let's wait for this to stop. Right, it's done. So I'm going to start it. I'm going to click finish. So it's going to open up my Oracle VirtualBox right here. So basically I have no appliance, I have no virtual machines running. So I'm going to go ahead and click on file and click on import appliance. And then this is going to be the part to where my appliance is, my OVF file or my OVA file, right? The open virtualization format. So if I click on this file here, it takes me to this page, and I have to locate it. So it's saved in my desktop folder VM, and this is it, the workstation. And you can see this is open virtualization format, either OVA or OVF, right? So I click on this and I click on open. Then I click on next. So we basically have to leave all this the way it is and go ahead and click on import. So it's going to take few minutes to import, and I'm going to basically pause this. So the installation is done, it has imported it, and I'm just going to go ahead and start it up. So click on start. All right, so it's starting up, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it come up. Right, so it's up and running. I just go ahead and put my password, and basically I'm logged in. Yeah, so that's done, and I will go ahead and shut or power my machine down or power it off, and I'll go ahead and click on settings because I want to install the extension pack. Let me just click on file and preferences. Right, so it's where we have extensions. Here I click on extensions, I click on this plus icon. Remember, we downloaded an extension pack, which is this. I'm going to click on this and I click on open and install. So I'm going to read probably read all the license agreement and scroll down, I agree, and it's going to start the installation, and it was installed successfully. Right, click OK and you're done. Right, so thank you very much. That will be the end for this section. If you have any questions, drop that in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon to get notified when we drop a new video. And thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.